Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see incognito history on Google Chrome. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, access your Chrome. So the thing is, you can simply go ahead, quit this and go back, and here in this three-dot icon you can tap on this new incognito tab and you can access it, right? So the purpose for incognito tab is only for you to have a private browsing purpose, so nobody else who uses this phone or the Google ID can know what you have been doing or searching and looking for. So if you are the other person who needs to know it, if they have used your phone for the matter, you can simply go ahead, first turn this off and then go to search bar and type in Chrome. This URL is a link, and here in this section this kind of list of Chrome URLs gonna appear, right? You're gonna scroll down till you find this option called Chrome history. Just keep it right over here. Once you have access that, you can see now you will find all of the browsing data, including all of the history here in this section, and that is how you can access it, and you can remove it as well. You can tap by tapping on clear browsing data, and that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.